Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to change Messenger to dark mode. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. Now on the screen you can see your previous messages, search bar, chats, stories, and finally at the top left corner there's 3-bar menu. Tap on it, then you can see at the top right corner there's a gear-like icon which is settings. Under settings you can see the first option is dark mode. All you have to do is go under dark mode and select on. And guys, that's it. That's how you turn your Messenger to dark mode. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.